If you face unexpected error on Microsoft Teams, so these steps may helpful for you. Step 1, uninstall the app by using control panel. Just search the control panel app, or you can find the setting, then go to uninstall the application. I'm using the control panel app. So after that you have to find the Microsoft Teams application in the control panel tab. So I'm going to uninstall the Microsoft Team. Here is it's going to uninstall. Now the uninstall has been successfully, and after that I am going to reinstall the Microsoft Team. I'm going to run this application. So it will be clear either the chat history or will be deleted or not. So wait few seconds to install this application again. Here is nothing here, so it will take some time. Now you may be re-enter your Microsoft account to link or allow this application on startup. So the Microsoft Teams has been installed successfully, and let check the chat history is available or not. Now we have successfully installed the Microsoft Team, and we got the chat history as well, so nothing is lost. So this is step 1. You may fix this problem by using this step. So next, so second step is quit and reopen the app. You have to go to the Teams. After that you have to click the taskbar icon and try to quit and reopen the app. It may fix this unexpected error. If this problem is not fixed, try we have to go to next step, but before we have to check the chat history. Now chat history available. Next we have to delete the temporary files by using the run the run app and type this command in this bar: percentage app data percentage / Microsoft / Teams, then OK to open the specific folder to access the Teams file. Now you have to select all by using command by using Windows A, or you can select the all files. After that you have to delete this file. It will take a few seconds to delete this file, but no worry, you will be nothing will be lost on your chat history. Just I will show you. After that we have to go to Microsoft Teams, then check is your chat history is available or not. Here is it will be authentication. To continue this Microsoft Team by using your account, it will take few seconds to reopen or run and the Teams. So we have to go to chat to find the chat history is available or not. Luckily we have the chat history available in our Microsoft Team. So these steps may helpful for you. Do please hit the like button. Thank you.